What's your name, sir?
Travis Manawa.
I'm sorry. I'm Travis.
Travis Manawa.
Travis, I want to know what it is. Because you don't think she's human, do you? If you do, you think that we're just a bunch of murderers.
And bring your friends, it's fun to lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. Oh no,
She's
I
infected.
know a dirty word. Hello, hello, hello.
You gotta protect them.
With the lights out,
The best thing that we ever did was our son.
Here we are now, entertainers.
John.
I'm worse at what I do best, and for this gift I feel blessed. Our little group
You found it in you
has
to do what needs to be done.
You don't have to do this, okay?
And then
Just put the gun down.
you lost it.
Place we have to leave.
I don't think so.
Here we are now, entertainers. I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now, and I forget just why I taste. Oh yeah, I guess it makes me smile.
We're here. Don't let them do this.
Show me mercy.
Chris! God damn you, Chris! God damn. That's the last thing his father said to me. That's the last thing he'll remember.
Since this whole time,
We'll make them see the
Killed? You haven't murdered anybody?
I feel